Hello everyone, today our topic is bubble sort. Today in this video we'll learn about how this sorting technique works and what is the algorithm for this technique and its drawback. Okay, there is a drawback for this sorting technique and what can we do to overcome that drawback in this technique only. Okay, so let's start. We'll consider this set of data s equals to 5, 3, 9, 2, 0, 6. Okay, to understand the working of this sorting technique. Okay, so let's understand the working of this algorithm with this set of data. First, I have considered this set of data 5, 3, 9, 2, 0, 6. Okay. Now, I will start from 1. Always start I from 1. Then there is a inner, this loop is an inner loop and this I is an external loop. Okay. Now, when I is 1, j will start from 0, and when it is 0, it will compare first two element. First two element 5 and 3 will be compared. This sorting is I'm showing it to you in ascending order. Okay, 5, 3. So it will swap. Okay, 5 is greater than 3, so 3 will come in the 0th index. 3 came in the 0th index. 5 moved to the first index. Then j becomes 1. Okay, j becomes 1, then 5 and 9 will be compared. This sorting technique is a sorting by comparison, so it will compare each element. 5 and 9 will be compared, then it will do nothing because 5 is less than 9. Then it will move to j equals to 2, then 9 and 2 will be compared, then 2 will be come to the second index and 9 will move to the third index because 2 is less than 9. Then j will again get incremented, then 9 and 0 will be compared. 0 will come to the third index, then j will be incremented, then 0 and 6 9 and 6 will be compared, then 6 will come to the fourth index and fifth index will be 9. Okay, now after coming to this part, this jth loop will stop because there is no more element in this set of data. So in this state, the jth loop, inner loop will stop and I will get incremented by 1. Okay, understood? I will get incremented at this state. Okay, then I becomes 2. Then carefully observe, we have no longer taken the fifth index value. There is the element in the fifth index, but in this dry run I have not shown you the fifth index because the highest element came to the last index already in this step. Okay, 9 came, see 9 is the highest element in this set of data, so 9 came to the fifth index. So I have not shown you the fifth index part in this step, only up to fourth index it is shown. So the now array is up to fourth index is 3, 5, 2, 0, 6. Okay, then again the same process will repeat. J will is 0 at first, and but I is 2 because I is incremented by 1 at this step. 3 and 5 will be compared. 3 will come to the first place, j incremented. 5 and 2 will be compared. 2 came to the first place, j incremented. 5 and 0 will be compared. 0 will come to the second index. 5 will move to the third index. 5 and 6 will be compared. 5, but this will change nothing because it is 5 is less than 6. At this step there is no more element to be sorted, so it will stop the inner loop and I will be incremented by 1. Again the same here, s will be 3, 2, 0, 5, 6. So array already 9 came to the last place earlier, then now 6 came to the fourth index. Okay, these two are in sorted place, no need to move these two elements, no need to move these two elements now. So I have considered up to third index 0, 1, 2, 3, third index up to 3, 2, 0, 5. Now 3 and 2 will be compared. 2 will come to the first place, j incremented. 3 and 0 will be compared. 0 came to the first place, j incremented. And now 3 and 5 will be compared. 3 will in this step nothing will change because 3 is less than 5. Okay, now the array will be 0, 2, 0, 3. I have not shown you after that the process will go on until the array we get is this. See, in this step I have got 5 in the last place, so this one came. Okay, 5 already came in the third place. 0 1 2 3, third place. Now I have not shown you the rest of the part of this diagram. This will go on till the array finally becomes sorted in this manner. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this part, and rest you can do it on your own. So you can see the algorithm of bubble sort is shown in this side of the board. First a loop will run, which is I, from 1 to n minus 1. N minus 1, why? N is 6 here. 6 minus 1 up to 5th index it will run. Okay, that's why less than n minus 1. Okay, now I plus plus for the inner loop, which is j, will run from 0 to n minus I. N minus I, it is important. Okay, not n minus 1 or n, it is n minus I, j plus plus. Okay, for in this part, why n minus I? See, when I is 1, n is 6 minus 1 is what? 5, less than 5. It will run 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, it will run from 0 to 4 in the first, when I is equal to 1. Why 4? See, in the fifth, when the j is 5, the operation I stops. See, j loop terminates. Okay, because 9 is already in the fifth place and it is fixed. It is already, 9 is already sorted in a sorted place. So it will from 0 to n minus I. In the second, when I equals to 2, j will be 0 to less than 6 minus 2, which is 4. 0 to less than 4 means 3. Up to when j is 4, it will terminate. Up to 3 it will run. Okay, so it will go on entering into the jth loop. If s of j plus 1, which is j plus 1 means, if I am considering the first position, j plus 1 is 3th index. Comparing this and these two, 5 and 3, sorry, 5 and comparing 5 and 3, 3 is in the s of j plus 1th place. If less than s of j, which is 5, it is less, then it will swap. Then I will swap. This part is for swapping. Okay. Otherwise, I will increment j. Otherwise, I will increment j. Otherwise, not. It will increment. It will increment. So, but the drawback of this algorithm is, if the array is already sorted, then also the loop will run. Both the loop will run till the last element, and the time complexity will be same in case of unordered and a sorted list. Then what we need to do? We need to modify this bubble sort, which is called the modified bubble sort technique. Okay, so nothing to be done in particular. Just a small change in this algorithm will clarify it. Okay. Before that, let me tell you, the time complexity for this algorithm is, first, how many elements are compared till the n minus 1th term, till n minus 1th. Okay, then one element is decreased, n minus 2th element is compared, then n minus 3, then n minus the 2. This will go on till 1. Okay, till 1. This will go on till 1. So what is it? N, the formula for arithmetic progression, n minus 1 by 2. Okay, this will give us big O of n square by 2 minus n minus 2. Okay, what will be the, I'm writing here. Okay, I'm writing here. So what will be the time complexity for this algorithm? Big O of n square. Okay, big O of n square will be the time complexity for bubble sort technique. This will be the same in case of even if the array is in sorted order. Then also each element will be compared till till from n minus 1 to 1. It will increase this time complexity unnecessary, which is not needed, because the array is already sorted. Why should we do? We should stop after first checking. That means After I equals to 1, I will not become 2. It will stops here only. After checking the full n minus 1 at, till n minus 1, it will terminate. So what should we do if we want to modify this? Nothing in particular, just we want to we have to take a variable here. We have to take a variable flag. Flag equals to, we have to take flag equals to 1 here, and we have to change this condition and flag equals to 1. Okay, it will run till flag equals to 1 and then I plus plus. This condition will be changed. This is changed. Okay, this is changed, and here we will do flag equals to 0 inside the inner loop. Okay, inside the outer loop, not the inner loop. We will do flag equals to 0 inside the outer loop. Then after doing the swapping, we will do flag equals to 1 and then close it. Okay, then close it. This is the modified bubble sort. Okay, this is the modified bubble sort technique. In this case, in this technique, the number of comparison will be done till n minus 1 term only. Not, it will not unnecessarily grow till 1 and compare all this. Okay, so this is it for today. This is my video on bubble sort. If you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the further notification. Thank you.